Hello everyone, this is Reggie, the washer dryer repair nerd, aka A-Team Appliance. Got a GE washer, just took in on trade and put it on spin. You just hear the pump going, but the tub won't turn. And the knob is broke, so it won't twist. So it look like you can move by the outer one. Let's get it all the way. Still won't spin. First thing you check. Number one, this knob is going to have to be replaced. And that's easy. If you look inside there, see that little yellow pin right in there? Take some needle nose pliers, pull that out. And it looks like it's stripped on the end. So I'll pause the video and do it before and after on that. Also, first thing I check is the capacitor. This is like the third one this week. I don't know, like repairs happen in lots. Like I'll get one single repair, the same repair like for a whole week. That's not supposed to be there. So the capacitor exploded there. That's what that gray stuff is. That's supposed to be on the inside. So the capacitor basically stores up energy when you first start a washer. That gives it extra boost to actually spin. Gives the motor actually the motor gives the motor extra boost to spin. So that's what capacitors use. The capacitors 101. So without that extra boost, it doesn't have extra power to get it going. So the capacitor needs to be changed, and that knob. So I'm gonna pause the video real quick and show you the difference in the knob. Hang on. All right, and I'm back. So I got some capacitors. So this is the knob. See the little meat on there, those teeth? That's how it should look. It's this one. Got it unplugged. And I can't find my needle nose, man, so I'm gonna use my wire crimpers. These go in there. Grab the pin. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, you pull it out. So that's the pin you gotta pull out. Boom. See, that thing is completely stripped. Look at that. And sometimes the teeth inside will be stripped. So I don't know if you can see in there. See right in there, the little plastic pieces. That's where the teeth connects and grips. Sometimes those will be worn out, and if those worn out, then that means you need to replace the whole timer. So here's before and after. See, and I got enough bad GEs that I got plenty of parts. I can't even tell you how much these things cost because I got plenty of spares. See the difference in teeth? So let me show you the capacitor. Doing this with one hand. All right, yeah, let me get a screwdriver. All right, screwdriver. And be careful because capacitors actually they store power, so they're still live. So if you touch the prongs together, it'll actually give you a little spark, but I don't think enough to hurt you, but just a warning. That's the nature of capacitors, any capacitor that you got. So go ahead and put this in. This is not an OEM capacitor. This fits. Let's use this one. Just doing this so I can show you guys how it works. Look at that, one hand. And don't forget to like, subscribe, keep the channel going. All right, so that's on. Let's plug her in. All right, hang on. All right, so I got her plugged in, and let's turn on. Now she's spinning. And I'll tell you those GEs. Look at the RPMs in that baby. The nice thing about belt-driven machines is that the RPMs are so high. Underneath, that's where the belt is. They're down there dry your clothes without a dryer. So Yep, that and quick tip on putting this pin back in is what I usually do. I'll show you in a bad one. What I usually do is have it hanging halfway here, and then push it in, and then push it the rest of the way. So you want to make sure and push it in the rest of the way here, and you're gonna make sure the pin goes in that little groove right there. All right. Any questions, comments? Feel free to message me. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep the videos coming. Thanks, guys.